Oh, hey everyone. I just came in from outside, still got my leather jacket on. Thought I'd make a quick video because it's important. Yeah, this leather jacket's probably older than most of you who are watching the video, I guarantee it. I used to use it when I rode my motorcycles in the 70s, 80s, and early 90s. So yeah, I guarantee it's older than most of you, but it's a good jacket. It's a little chilly outside right now, so I thought I'd, run in, run out, and I forgot to take it off. But anyway, I like it. It's an old favorite of mine. So, with that being said, just an update. So if you read the instructions that come with the bot, and the bot instructions, there's a link to it on the site, there's an invitation to the queue. What's the queue? Well, the queue is just sort of a waiting area server, and Discord makes it really hard to send direct messages to people who you're not on the same server with. Hey, go figure. So there's an invitation to the queue, and when you run the bot now, it's going to ask you if you have a Discord server ID. If you don't have one, just say no. Type in no, don't have one, just something in there. It'll ignore you. If you do have one, go ahead and put that in there. What will happen is that will go to the servers, and then the moderators of the channel that is used for the bot will know when you run it that you are a licensed user. It will inform them that you have a license key, and if they see you in the queue and you've got some questions or you want to be part of the overall bot experience, they'll invite you to the other server. Either the mods or the staff will. So it helps things along. And if you're not interested in it, don't worry about it. But this is how we're going to do it, because I used to send out the direct invites in the email with the keys, but I'm not emailing keys out anymore. Not sending out direct invites that way anymore. So yeah, there we go. That's how the process goes to get set up and out the door. So, like I said, you'll join the queue, and then from the queue, you can chat with a couple of the mods or the staff, and they can invite you on up to the other server. But at least they'll know that you got a license key, and if you got questions, they can help you out, and they'll be able to get some information, some debug information in there to help you out with using the system. So anyway, that's it. It's a short one today. I've got other things I've got to take care of. A lot of the back end's done. I've still got a little bit more to do on the back end, but it's all good. And while you have a chance, take advantage of this flash sale on the key. I don't know how much longer I'll leave it up. And definitely, as soon as we get some hyped successes, it's gone. I'm not going to keep it around anymore. So, take care. Talk to you later. Good night.